please. B0927 Metro service to Stepford, USA has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Your attention, please. The 0945 Metro service to Willowfield has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The train now reaching platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Your attention, please. The 0940 Stepford Connect service to Stepford, Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The 0945 Stepford Connect service to Stepford, Victoria is delayed by approximately 7 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. The train now approaching platform 0 terminates here.
Is Stepford Central. This train is for Edgemead. The next station is Stepford East.
Platform C for the 0941 Metro service to Stepford UFC. Calling at Four Ways, Stepford East, High Street,
Welcome on board this
Whitefield
Stepford
Lido,
service to
and
Edgemead.
Stepford UFC.
We will be calling
This
at
train is
Stepford
formed of
East,
6 coaches.
St Helens Bridge, Bowden,
Your attention,
Oxford,
please.
Benton,
The
Benton Bridge,
0953
Hampton Hargate,
Stepford Connect
Water
service
Newton,
to
Rocket
Stepford,
Parade,
Victoria has been
Leighton
cancelled.
Stepford Road, Leighton
This is
City,
due to a
and
member of the train crew
Edgemead.
being
The
unavailable.
next station is Stepford
Now
East.
standing at platform 0 is the 0943 Stepford Express service to Benton. Calling at Benton only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Located at the rear of the train. Calling at four ways: Stepford Central, City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is full of 6 coaches. Platform 5 for the 0954 Airlink Service to Airport Terminal 2 via Stepford Airport Central and Airport Terminal 1. Calling at Ellesmere Junction, Morganstown, Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1, and Airport Terminal 2. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. Your attention, please. The 0957 Stepford Connect Service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Welcome on board.
Your attention, please. The 0944 Stepford Connect Service to Leighton City
Is
has been cancelled.
Stepford East.
This is due to
This
a
train
member
is
of the train
for
crew
Edgemere.
being unavailable.
The next station is
Platform
St.
4
Helens Bridge.
for the 0956 Stepford Connect Service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Stepford Central, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The 1004 Stepford Connect Service to Stepford Victoria.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Edgemere. The next station is St. Helens Bridge.
Does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. The 1022 Stepford Express Service to Stepford Central is delayed by approximately 7 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Platform 3 for the 1007 Stepford Connect Service to Leighton City. Calling at Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton, Stepford Road,
St.
and
Helens
Leighton
Bridge.
City.
This
train is
for
formed of
Edgemere.
4 coaches.
The next station is
The
Bowden.
1002 Stepford Connect Service to Stepford Victoria is delayed by approximately 12 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
This is St. Helens Bridge. This train is for Leighton.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to
Stepford Victoria. Calling at St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, Stepford Central, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The 10:14 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City is delayed by approximately 14
The
minutes.
next station is
We are sorry
St
that your journey will
Helens
take longer than planned. The 10:15 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea is delayed. The 10:32 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central is delayed by approximately 14 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Platform 1 for the 10:17 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, Faymere, Westercoast, Millcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
The next station is Benton. Welcome on board Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. The next station is Benton. Benton. This train is for Edgemead. The next station is Benton Bridge.
Platform 12 for the 10:56 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Coxley, Bowden, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, Stepford Central, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4
Welcome on board
coaches.
Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. We will be calling at Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, and Edgemead. The next station is Benton Bridge.
Port Benton. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Your attention, please. The 11:22 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Benton Bridge. This train is for Edgemead. The next station is Hampton Hargate. Welcome aboard the Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. The
Your attention, please. The 11:39 Stepford Connect service to Leighton West has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew.
Your attention, please. The 11:23.
shall be arriving at Waterloo. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
And Edgemead. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The 11:25 Stepford by approximately
Parade.
18 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
Edgemead. Calling at Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, and Edgemead. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The 11:38 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City is delayed by approximately 7 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
This is Rocket Parade. This train is for Edgemead. The next station is Leighton Stepford Road.
Platform 2 for the 11:45 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Waterloo. Platform 3 for the 11:46 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. Calling at Leighton City only. This train
is Leighton Stepford Road. This train is for West Wyvern.
Stepford Victoria.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please. This is Leighton City. This train terminates here. All change, please. This is Leighton City. This train is for Edgemead. The next station is Edgemead.
The train now approaching platform 4 terminates here. This train is the service from Coxley.
On board this Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. The next station.
North Shore and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
This is Edgemead. This train is for Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be West Wyvern.
This is Edgemead. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea.